I figured by having less cats out here, it would be a lot easier to feed the cats this morning. So that's why I only have 2 because I locked 4 of them in their rooms. So. Also, I ran out of little forks, so I'm just going to use this spoon that I have because I have new coffee things. This used to be my spoon for coffee, but now I have these little ones, so this one is for cats. I might have locked all of them in the room, and the only one that's out here is Artie, because you can see him laying down back there. Hi, Artie. I haven't heard the kitten, so I don't think he's out here. And I like these little bowls. I found them at the dollar store. They're only $1.25. See, Artie never gets first dibs because Phoebe always messes with him. Hi, buddy. Today we're going to do a little bit different. We got this can. The cats really like this stuff. Okay, you ready, Artie? Are you hungry? Are you hungry, buddy? You never get first dibs. You're so cute.